Ever wondered who's the mastermind behind Lunar Bank, the bank that's shaking things up in the financial world? You're not alone. Lunar Bank has been making waves with its innovative approach to banking, and naturally, people are curious about the visionary who brought it all to life. In today's video, we're diving deep into the story of the founder of Lunar Bank. We'll explore their journey, their vision for the future of finance, and how they're disrupting the traditional banking system. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about the driving force behind Lunar Bank. Before we reveal the founder, let's quickly recap what makes Lunar Bank so unique. Forget traditional branches, Lunar Bank operates entirely digitally, offering a seamless and convenient banking experience through their mobile app and online platform. Personalized banking, Lunar Bank leverages technology to understand your spending habits and offer tailored financial advice and tools. Transparent and fee-friendly, say goodbye to hidden fees and confusing charges. Lunar Bank is committed to transparency and offers competitive pricing. Now, let's meet the visionary behind this revolution. Ken Clausen's journey to founding Lunar Bank was driven by a deep dissatisfaction with the traditional banking system. They believed that banks were outdated, inflexible, and ultimately not serving the needs of their customers. Ken Clausen's vision for Lunar Bank was to create a bank that was customer-centric, putting the customer's needs first in every decision. Tech-driven, leveraging the power of technology to provide a superior banking experience. Transparent and ethical, building trust with customers through honesty and fairness. Ken Clausen's leadership has been instrumental in shaping Lunar Bank's success. They has assembled a talented team of experts in technology, finance, and customer experience. Under Ken Clausen's guidance, Lunar Bank has experienced rapid growth and garnered significant attention from both customers and industry experts. Ken Clausen continues to play a crucial role in driving Lunar Bank's innovation and ensuring that it remains at the forefront of the financial technology revolution. So, there you have it. The story of the founder of Lunar Bank, Ken Clausen's vision and leadership are driving a new era of banking, one that is more customer-centric, tech-savvy, and transparent. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.